Hello, my dear little students. This question is related to fractions. The question reads, express 7 by 12 of a day in hours. So, what is basically a fraction? A fraction consists of a denominator and a numerator. So, basically, we say numerator by denominator. And this denominator is basically total number of units and numerator is number of units considered. That means what we are talking about is number of units under study. So basically the question is 7 by 12 of a day. 7 by 12 of a day we have to find out. So what will go into the denominator? And you should also know that for a fraction, suppose a by b is a fraction, if we multiply denominator by any number n, and then we have to multiply the numerator also by n, then we can say that a multiplied by n by b multiplied by n is same as a by, you should know this. Suppose let me write down 4 by 7. If we multiplied the denominator by 3 and the numerator also by 3, we can write down 4 3s are 12 and denominator 7 3s are 21. So this 12 by 21 is same as 4 by 7. So this should be well known to you. Coming to our question, we can see that 7 by 12. Because we have to express 7 by 12 of a day in hours, we need to consider converting this denominator into total number of hours in a day. So total number of hours in a day is 24, but our denominator is 12. So what we need to multiply by 12 to make it 24? So for that we need to divide 24 by 12. So we can clearly see 12 twos are 24. So we can multiply this by 12. 12 twos are 24. And if we are multiplying denominator by 12, we also need to multiply numerator by 2. So 12 twos are 24 and 7 twos are 14. So 14 by 24 of a day is same as 7 by 12 of a day. So again 14 by 24 of a day means 14 hours by 24 hours. We can clearly see that 7 by 12 of a day is equivalent to 14 hours. So the answer to the question is 14 hours, which is option A. So such type of questions are very common in Olympiads. You will encounter them very often. So try to solve as many as such questions as possible. Keep practicing with good monk. Thank you. If our videos and website www.decodmonk.com helped you in any way, you may thank me by subscribing to my channel and clicking the like button. Please remember to share the videos so as to help other fellow students like you. For queries, please comment here or through contact page of our website decodmonk.com. And above all, thank you for your patience.